What up? It's Tweety Bird. I'm about to show you some sweet beats on the piano. So let me start off with a basic one. It goes something like this. Yeah, that was pretty sweet, right? Let me show you another one. It goes something like this, a little more complex. And my girlfriend Gabrielle over here, she's gonna show you some sweet piano beats. See what we're looking for in a beat. We're looking for texture and chunkiness. You know, you want a sweet, chunky beat and playing the piano. You know, none of this finger shit or this dick shit. We want some of this head shit. So we go something like this. We go and sometimes you may want to, you know, tune your shit a little bit. So got some sweet shit going on here with this beat right here. So I'm gonna show you this. So we start off basic and then we go.
Tweety, I want to put it right here. I want to do this and that.
Let me sync 7. That's the one we want for this. Did you hear that? It was beautiful.
Yes.
Let's try another one.
But it's Tweety. I got something better.
Oh my god, it's beautiful.
Tweety, look, I got this one.
Oh yeah. Let me slide. Oh, that's that good stuff. Oh, and you want to get a little turntable action going on? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, just rub it. But back to 7. Lucky. That's the one we want.
Hey Tweety,
I can do this.
Some sugar. Tweety, I want to join you.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Fuck off.
It was beautiful. One more time. Get the fuck out of the way, Tails. I'm the master. Oh yeah. One more time. Oh yeah, that's the way I like it. Ah, yes, I like it. Oh yeah. And one last one for the finale.
Wait.
God damn it, get off my. One last one. Leg. Leg. And. Oh, that's a good stuff. And that'll do it for us here at Awesome Piano Studios. I'm Tweety Bird.
This is Tails.
Signing out.
And this is Tails signing.